Hey everyone, this is problem 26 of the 2018 grade 7 to 8 Math Kangaroo. So pause the video and read the problem to yourself and come back when you're ready. So I have some things on the left to keep in mind. Now, this just indicates a 90-degree angle. And next, for similar triangles, the square of the side length of the first triangle over the side length of the second triangle is equal to the area of the first triangle over the area of the second triangle. And lastly, for 30, 60, 90 triangles, if the leg opposite of the 30-degree angle is x, then the other leg is x times root 3, and the hypotenuse is 2x. Okay, so let's look at our figure here. And since we know that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, these angles are 60 degrees. And similarly, for triangle ALMN, since it's an equilateral triangle, these are also 60-degree angles. And we know that the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. This angle here is 30. This angle here is 30, and this one is also 30. Now you see why we have on the left a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So why don't we call this angle here, or the side length x, then that means that the hypotenuse is 2x, and this other leg is x times square root of 3. And that means that length AL is also 2x, because that's the hypotenuse of the other 30, 60, 90 triangle. Meaning that the total length of AB is just 3x. So now we have the side length of the inner and outer equilateral triangles. And since we have the area of the bigger equilateral triangle, we can solve for the area of the other smaller equilateral triangle. So why don't we do that? So the side length of the smaller triangle is x times root 3 divided by the side length of the bigger triangle, which is 3x squared is equal to the area of the interior equilateral triangle. Let's call that A1 divided by the area of triangle ABC, which is 36. Now we notice that the x's cancel out. Let me use red. X's cancel out. And we're left with square root of 3 over 3 squared. And this is just equal to 3 over 9, which is 1/3. And now we know that 1/3 is equal to A1 over 36. And so A1 has to be equal to 12. And this is in units of centimeters squared. So that would be answer choice B. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.